To draw this sketch, I first place the origin at this point, as it lies on the symmetry axis and is where I want to start sketching. Another point about drawing this sketch is that I use symmetry to create it. So I start drawing these lines, up to this point. I enter the sketch on the front plane. I select the Line tool. I convert this line into a construction line. I apply an equal relation to these two lines. I align these two lines, or I use the collinear relation. I think these two lines should also have equal lengths. Let's first set the dimensions. A 35-degree angle and a length of 35. I select this line, and type 35 here. Length of 35. A length of 50 and a length 100. I'll cancel this, and I press Ctrl+Z. Again, here a length of 35. I move these points so that the shape looks correct. Length of 50. Length of 100. And a length of 15. Our sketch is still not fully defined, so we select a blue point and move it, showing that the dimensions of these two segments need to be defined for the sketch to be fully defined. As I mentioned, I think these two lines should also have equal lengths, so I apply an equal relation to these two lines. Now we'll use the shape's symmetry and mirror the sketch along this axis line. From the Sketch toolbar, I select the Mirror command. And here, under Options, in the Entities to Mirror box, I select the entities that I want to mirror. In the Mirror About box, I select the axis line to use for mirroring. Now we see that the shape is mirrored about this axis line. And after applying the Mirror command, symmetric relations are added. This symmetric relation shows that this point is symmetric about this axis line. We can see here that all the points have the symmetric relation applied. I press Ctrl+Z to return to the previous step. This time, to mirror the sketch, I press Ctrl+A to select all entities. Since our axis line is defined as a center line, it's clear which entities are selected for Entities to Mirror and which entity is used for Mirror About. So I select all entities by pressing Ctrl+A. Then from the Sketch toolbar, choose the Mirror Entities command. It automatically detects entities and mirrors the sketch. I hide the sketch relations to display the shape more clearly.